like that. We have now got us a new spring. Alright. We do need to adjust this part here a little bit. And if you can change the spring, that's going to be a hell of a lot cheaper than having to replace the whole class. Especially if it's 14 karat or higher. So you can hear that snap. Alright guys, I'm gonna go drop this in ultrasound real quick. I'm gonna polish this up. We'll come back, look at the finished product, guys. I think we might have set a record for this one. Quickest repair video we've done yet. Oh, look at this. Oh boy. Wonder if they want that fixed. Look at that. I don't know. I'll bring it to their attention. They didn't really say anything about it. Yeah, that's one of those things I did not recognize till just now. They didn't say anything about fixing it, but I don't even know if they knew it was there. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and polish it. And then I'll bring it to their attention that it's frayed on the end there.